Yo, what's up? Welcome to another episode. Today I'm gonna be making some quick breakfast burritos for my baby mama before she goes to work as fast as possible. A real simple recipe. All you need is flour tortillas, some eggs, bacon, sausage, whatever you want to put in there, and some hot sauce, but it don't take long. Hot sauce you can buy at your local store. A little bit of sour cream, you know what I'm saying? First things first. Get yourself a fork, a bowl. Crack the eggs. I do about 4 eggs. Whip it up, whip it up. And then you're gonna get your cooking oil. I like to use my soda. Shout outs. I use the cap. Like halfway. Nothing too special. There we go. Like that. See, now the trick to cooking good fluffy eggs is you're gonna get the pan really hot first, right? Get the oil in there, get nice and hot. But you're not gonna want to put the eggs in there while it's really hot like that. You just want to get the pan hot. It's hot, it seems pretty hot. Just get in there. And you're gonna lower it to about medium temp. And that's when you're gonna put the eggs in. And I'll let these bad boys cook. You guys see what I'm doing over here. You know what I'm saying? And then I got the comal, we call it nice comal, the eggs. Just nice slow cook. Don't over cook them. My son over there, my girl getting ready for work. I'm trying to hurry up as fast as possible and make this video. And at the same time, you know what I'm saying, you gotta get this bacon and sausage. So now you don't want to cook too much since you know you're in a rush. So I'm just gonna put about 2 sausages in there. And 2 slices of bacon real quick. Just cut it up, you know what to do. Nice little half straight. You know what I mean? You know, rinse your hands, you know. You can't tear people. Cleanliness is next to godliness, is what they say. So these eggs are coming out just good, just like I like them. You're gonna see right now, people. I cooked some of the most fluffiest, beautiful eggs you done ever seen. Get the shit out the way. And that's how it is. Just go to your local neighborhood marketon or whatever you live next 2, Galvanize, whatever it is, whatever your local city got. But damn, come get close up. Look at these eggs. Nice and fluffy. And like people like to add the eggs, salt and pepper to the eggs first, right away, or when you're beating the egg, I add it on after. Alright, so these bad boys look about ready. You want to start getting them off the heat, or else before you know it, you can burn the egg, and you don't want to do that. No one likes burnt eggs. You know what I mean? About at the 6-minute point on the video. Eggs are done. Bacon's going along just fine. Look at that, folks. Look at those beautiful eggs. Add a little bit of salt. Too crazy. And just some pepper. No, folks, not when you get this pepper. Pinch of pepper. And a couple of mine. So, flip them off. Move that over right there. It's not going to take much too long for it to heat. My eggs are ready. All I'm waiting for now is bacon. Ignore that, y'all got a free peek. Yeah. Got the bacon going. No, they can't see you. Alright, folks. Bacon's coming along just nice. Mighty fine. The mine is nice and hot now. Now you don't want to have that too hot because that shit will fucking up the tortilla, you know. Put this shit away. Yeah. During the day, I'm gonna be back on it, making my videos again, making my freestyle videos for y'all. I just made a podcast last night. Friend came over. I'm gonna put called the Realist Podcast. Go check that out on YouTube. I gotta learn how to do the description and the links and all that, but I'll do that. I'll learn how to do that. I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, this bacon's coming along. Check it out. Are we ready to go then? Well, that's cooking. I guess the tortilla, the flour is going to put this everywhere. Okay, that's what I'm going to put in it. And then I had some leftover beans from the other night. Then I'm going to put in my burrito. I know my girl's not going to want that, but I like that. Pretty much done, folks. It's at 9 minutes and 10 seconds right now. So yeah, pretty much make breakfast real fast before it's gonna work in 10 minutes. You know what I mean? Hit these bad boys up. About like 10 seconds on each side. Boy. Hot sauce. Burrito, baby. bacon. You know what I'm saying? I was saying about the video, I think I got a little thing for the cooking. I'm gonna start making videos about easy meals to make in 10-20 minutes type deal. The other night we bought ribs in a bag, cooked it, and I made mashed potatoes, macaroni on the side. It was pretty bomb. It was an easy meal. Shrimp Alfredo also to make 20 minutes. But again, you know, simple tips for you guys out there. Want to impress your lady. Now look at that bacon. Mom fun. The sausages. Fun. Alright folks, the cooking part is over. Let's see what we got. See what finished product. Look at that. I'm about to put this piece together. Oh. My bad, y'all. Put one of these together and then wrap this video up. Cause I know y'all motherfuckers got other shit to do. You know what I'm saying? Get your little egg like so. You know what I'm saying? Put the sausage in there like so. Put a slice of bacon in there. Don't forget the cheese, y'all. You know what I'm saying? A little cheese, sour cream up in there. And in the meanwhile, my girl's in the background getting ready for work. Already about to walk out the door, but guess what? Big Daddy got the motherfucking breakfast sandwiches on deck for her. You know what I'm saying? You want a little nigga for me, you know what I'm saying? Happy wife, happy life, motherfucker. See that? You see that? See that? That's how we do it around here. Bam. Breakfast, burrito, and then check out, peep this roll. Oh, fire son. Boom. Breakfast burrito. Time's at 13 minutes. Took 10 minutes to cook. Bam. Have a nice day. Subscribe to another channel. Here's another day. And then you know what's up, another day. I'm out.